feel. And new members, Love Life Generation, Madhouse.
Live life, love life. Anything you do in life will influence other people's lives. Meg J, Eli, Mizo, and Orton. Let's go.
Hey, kotsi yashu kabari tireleze kamarwadze kabari tireleze kamimuya lino shangongori shangwa lingolala bari tireleze ribebane rkono wanda kotsi yashu kabari tireleze kamarwadze kabari tireleze kamimuya lino shangongori shangwa lingolala bari tireleze ribebane rkono wanda.
See, I'm making tight episodes, directing my own life with no manuscripts. Just the Bible on Genesis. Never ever ever forget where you came from. Never ever ever rob the hood you grew up on. So you give your tax to the Caesar with an open heart, then give your tithe to the Lord for a better cause. See, I never been a criminal, but crime paid me like Kanye Bow. Oh, so please Lord, don't let them fall in love with this money. Replace it with some happiness, a kid and a woman. Dear Lord, forgive them that they sell their souls. They don't know that they doing wrong, not knowing that earth ain't really home, just a place where we lose what we really own. Would you rather live thinking that there is a heaven, just to die and found out that there isn't a heaven? Or would you rather live thinking that there isn't a heaven, just to die and find out that there is a heaven? Would you rather live thinking that there is a heaven, just to die and find out that there isn't a heaven?
Hey, kotsi yashu kabari tireleze kamarwadze kabari tireleze kamimuya lino shangongori shangwa lingolala bari tireleze ribebane rkono wanda kotsi yashu kabari tireleze kamarwadze kabari tireleze kamimuya lino shangongori shangwa lingolala bari tireleze ribebane rkono wanda.
Let me hold you by the hand, make you understand. The life you living now is nothing but a life of sin. The woman and the gin, fathers who pretend, sisters selling body, falling for that Jeep thing. What a cheap thing. Never got saved cause the city full of sin. The effort I put in to make her understand she can never keep it clean. Always going in, I'm trying to get her out. She in it for the win, seeking for her soul in her body but it's out. Praying to the Lord, always in, never out. So I'm praying to the Lord and he knows what it's about. I'm out. One.
You see, she was no ordinary girl, had the potential to be the all in my world, but she never took the time. She never realized what was looking in her eyes in that schoolboy disguise. She wanted the dimes, lit that fancy life, then he took her by surprise, make the blue in her eyes. Hurts to emphasize that she slept in the bed of knives. Come home late at night, he drunk out his mind, don't even set the mood right, let alone scrutinize. In the end it's a fight, in the morning kiss goodbye, then she stays and cries. No more tears in her eyes, just the pain in her eyes, then the sad and the smile hasn't left in a while. Now I think it's time for me to ask her why she made that wrong choice. We found her she was pure, now we left her impure. For the blood no care, what she had to endure, the pain, the misery, blade on the wrist, last I heard she was deceased. Orton, a little ignorance goes a long way, but I think it's time that we start facing the facts.
Hey, kotsi yashu kabari tireleze kamarwadze kabari tireleze kamimuya lino shangongori shangwa lingolala bari tireleze ribebane rkono wanda kotsi yashu kabari tireleze kamarwadze kabari tireleze kamimuya lino shangongori shangwa lingolala bari tireleze ribebane rkono wanda.
Last but not least, yo Eli, life ain't about how many breaths you take, but about the moments that take your breath away. So make sure that last decision doesn't take your breath away. One. Oh yeah, by the way, it's a remix.